Well, so many people have said take the valve covers off. Well, I'm taking one off because it's here and it's easy to get to. So these are, what, 3/8, I think? 3/16, something like that. Let's see. Decent sized bolts, but they came out. So I'll continue on and take all of the bolts out and we'll get the cover off. Okay. Now this one has one of these funny things also. Okay. Anyway, that's all the bolts as far as I know. There's nothing on that side and nothing on that side, and it sounds like it's loose. It didn't sound great, but let me go put this down somewhere. As I expected, everything here seems to be in decent shape. All that's there and good. There's oil up in here. It's all there. You know, I knew I wouldn't see anything, but there's the push rods back here on the back side. Nothing loose or broken up here. It just is. It looks pretty nice. The valve cover itself, the inside of it didn't look bad. It's all around pretty nice. So there wasn't much to see, but anyway, that was the first time I pulled the valve cover. So that was fun. I guess next step is to look into rebuild options. Yeah, it's all there. So, like I said, next thing is get it rebuilt, because I can't throw a car like this away. I can't just junk it. It's not the right thing to. It's like the American flag. You can't throw it away. You have to like bury it, kind of thing. You know, when it's officially done. Same kind of thing here. You can't just throw the car away. It's not that kind of car. You know, it's not like the Big 6, which is, for all intents and purposes, disposable. If it had to be. So, it's going to be expensive. But the good news is there are engines available, or rather parts for the engine available still. I've done some research online, and you can buy an engine for this for, I don't know, $2,200. Doesn't include the oil pan and valve covers and, you know, junk like that, but you can get parts, you can get push rods, you can get springs, you can get pistons, all that shit is still made. Whether or not it's any good, how long a rebuilt engine is going to last, I don't know. But the bottom line is, once it's done, this car is going to run, first of all, completely different from how it ever did. Because everything's going to be new and tight again. You know, there's going to be the right amount of clearance between the piston rings and the cylinder walls, and you know, the valves will be all adjusted nice, and everything is going to have new parts and shit, and nothing's going to be all fucking worn out. General Motors 122,000 mile kind of engine. It's a damn shame. It's really a damn shame, but I thought it was coming one day, and this was it, so we'll just deal with it. So next week starts my search for some place that will rebuild it, and I'll keep you posted. So thank you for watching. Make sure you hit like, make sure you hit subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.